Thokozani, this is Mkhulu Dablamanzi, insizwa kwaMathebula. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thokozani Bogogo, Thokozani Bomkhulu, Thokozani everyone. Thank you so much for subscribing. Those of you that are new here and do not know who I am, my name is Robin Malupi. Thokozani, Sanbonani, hello, hi. Okay, so video it's about the dream that I had. I hope someone out there can interpret it for me. Someone out there can reach out and say that Mkhulu liphupho lakho kahle kahle belichaza 1 2 3 4 5 because leli phupho leli ngithathe 4 months yonke solo like angikhulumi ngalo because it's quite disturbing like lingalenye indlela lokuthi nami liyangidida and angathi ukuthi mina the way ngil-interpreta ngakhona kunjalo na. So ngiyacela ukuthi if there's someone out there that can understand this dream of mine, angitextele on 079 137 2662 079 137 2662. Okay, so makhosi leli phupho lengibe nalo. Yeah, I think it's roughly 4 months or 2. I'm not sure anymore because ngithathe isikhathi kakhulu ngingakhulumi ngalo like solo ngicabanga ngalo solo ngizama ukubuta ukuthi kahle kahle kuchaza kuthini but I'm not getting any answers. So leli phupho leli ngiphupha ngisemandini like emandini but I'm not like under the water like ngathini ngiphakathi kwesikepe but not the normal one. Isikepe sakhona sakhiwe with wood so sakhiwe ngemaplanka si brown. So in that dream like ngisemandini manda khona like yeah, when there's a wave like there are tides and everything like manda khona vele like akuna, there's no land where I am like it's water everywhere la ngibuka khona ngibuka emuva ngijika ngibuka there's water everywhere. So ngiyatibuta ukuthi okay lapha ephupheni ngiyatibuta ukuthi ani sengifike njani lana yabona. And then I hear a voice. This voice ingitshela ukuthi go and tell everyone that there's a great flood coming. Le flood lena iyokhukhula everyone. Angeke ishiye muntu. So go and build an ark. Go and build an ark. And then like uyabona ukuthi le voice iyakhuluma and then ngiva bathi go build an ark and then I'm thinking go build an ark njani maye sekwenzakalani. And then bathi kune flood letako and le flood letako angeke ilone ihite just one place. It's not gonna be maybe say in one country, say in South Africa only, or maybe in how can I put it, maybe in Nigeria only, or maybe in Swaziland only. No, le flood lena iyoshaya mhlaba wonke jikelele. Le flood lena iyokhukhula wonke mhlaba jikelele. So le voice iyaphinza futhi ithi go build an ark. And then I was even showed a way ukuthi nase yakhiwe le lona le ark lena, this is where we need to go yabona. And then like lamandi solo like aya yabona mandi nawo kwatile, so lamandi ayashaya vele ayagijima and everything like and like get where I was get cause there's no land. There's no land. It's covered with water everywhere. It's water. So bogogo bomkhulu, anyone that's good with interpreting dreams, ngiyacela ngicela ungiside. Ngoba I was told ukuthi bantu sesone kakhulu. Bantu sesone kakhulu. And then the way I was so scared in that dream, ngavele ngaphaphama. Like solo ngiyatibuta ukuthi kani what can this dream mean kahle kahle? Is it vele ukuthi uNkulunkulu ufuna to wash us away or something, or vele le story sa Noah it's coming back? Le story sa Noah siyotiphinza angathi bogogo nabomkhulu, but what I know ukuthi maphupho they're not just dreams, yabona. So maphupho ami ayayendakala, especially nangiphuphela mhlaba, maybe nangiphuphela a country. Like angithandi ukukhuluma, maybe nangibe neliphupho lelisona. I usually talk to, there's this person that is very close to me. I normally talk to that person. So ngikhulumile naye, but still angayitholi incazululo. I did not get the answers that I needed. So I thought kuti yatini, maybe nakusona I just need to come out and then share with you guys kuti ngive ini, what's happening. So asati, please ngicela, if you understand, ngicela ubuye kimi, because I was told kuti I need to build this ark, and then I need to get people inside the ark, and then obviously I'm not gonna build the ark alone. So ngebantu lefane bangiside. I don't know, guys, I don't know, but if you do understand it, if you do know what's happening, do let me know. Thokozani ndawuwe, makhosi.